Welcome back. So for today's video I have another prom makeup tutorial. Some of you requested a neutral cut crease look, but the one that will not be super intense and super dark. So I decided to create this look, and I hope this is, you know, the look that you wanted. This look for me, even if still requires, you know, some skills when you're doing the cut crease, when you're doing liner, I created it to look quite young, fresh, nothing too, you know, dramatic, nothing too maybe like drag queenish, because you know that cut crease comes from that. So you still have that very young and youthful appearance. Since you wanted this look to be with neutral colors and not to be super smoky, super dark, I decided to use just throw with two colors. So this dark kind of brown with this ivory shade. So I think it's just the perfect match, and I hope this is the look that you wanted. So let's get started. So I'll start today with my Bourjois Healthy Mix Concealer. This is in number 51, I believe. I don't remember when was the last time I used this, but it's a good drugstore concealer. It has more of a medium coverage, and it has a very light texture. It's not really creamy, it's more like a cream liquidy kind of concealer. So the palette that I will use today is a Douce palette by Juvia's Place, and I will use this dark brown, and I'm just applying this in the crease. Now I will just try to make this super dark and super intense. I want that really dark brown crease. And now I will use this shade, which is called Berry Mousse, with my Aqua G552 brush, which is just a bigger crease brush. And I will put this in the crease. So I will try to smooth this transition, this color. Now I will use my Makeup Forever Aqua XL cream shadow in number 52, and I will try to create a small cut crease with this. Okay, now that we have the cut crease in the base, I will go ahead with the same dark chocolatey eyeshadow. I will try to make the transition from the cream color to the darker color very smooth. So I will just apply a little bit here, and I will try to just smudge it. Now I will do my ombre eyeliner, because I decided to also add this feature to this eye makeup. So I will apply firstly the M52 Aqua XL from Makeup Forever cream shadow, and then I will use the M60 cream shadow. So I will do again that ombre effect, and to mix these two together I will just take again my Aqua small brush, and I will try to just blend these two to add a bit of pigment on top of each other. Now I try to make these lines as symmetrical as possible, but I think one is bigger. This one is smaller and this one is bigger. I'm not 100% sure. But now I will just add a little bit of mascara, and I'm using my 16 brand Chosungah. This is the Korean beauty brand. This is the black mascara. I really like this mascara, and I will just, you know, apply this on my lashes to make them black, and this also makes them a bit fuller. Now moving on to the face, but first I will apply a little bit of my Cicaplast from Aliexpress to hydrate my lips, I will use is my Cinema Secrets palette, Correct and Conceal. I will use this peachy salmon shade with my finger. Since this is the more, you know, glam kind of look, it's for the evening, I will, you know, I can use more products on my face. I can use a more like hardcore corrector as well. For foundation, I will mix these two, so the Giorgio Armani Power Fabric and the Glow Mon Amour from L'Oreal. This is just highlighting drops. To contour, I will take my cream contour. This is a contour kit from Senna Cosmetics. I will take this contour shade, which is very ashy, has a bit of olive in it, so it's just brilliant for contour for light medium skin tones. And I will try to apply, you know, a very small amount of this, but to blend it very well, so to create that natural looking contour. Now to powder my face, I will use a little bit of my Laura Mercier translucent setting powder, and I will apply this mostly on my T-zone. I will then set my contour with a little bit of Girlacktik Cabo bronzer, which I absolutely love, and it's a bit more warm tone, so we'll add a bit of warmth as well. And for my highlight, I will use the Burberry highlight in Rose Gold number 4. This is the Fresh Glow highlighter, which is gorgeous. After I applied my false lashes and did my eyebrows, I will also do, I will finish the eyes with the lower lash line. I will add the same dark brown shade with a pencil brush, and then I will also add a bit of that more warm tone kind of color that I applied again in the crease to smooth out that brown. Now for the lips, I think, well, I have two options. So I have the Lunatic Cosmetics Labs Renegade, which is a gorgeous nudie color. I love this. And the Zoeva lip crayon. This is from the Screen Queen collection. It's a sheer, very balmy like lipstick, again a nude one. So I think I will just use this one because I haven't used this in a video.